Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to open a free zero balance account even if your salary is just 1000 dirhams. You won't need to maintain a minimum balance, no minimum salary requirement, and also no hidden fees for this account. So, these are the only 4 banks that currently provide a truly zero balance account in UAE. There is the FAB iSave Zero Balance account, which is one of my favorites. This account is good because it's provided by a well-established bank. We also have the Sharjah Islamic Bank with its SIB digital account. If you are wondering which of these 4 zero balance accounts you must choose, don't worry. At the end of this video, you'll be able to know the best account for you. So, the last 2 banks are kind of identical. But these 2 banks are really good for people with a small salary, for people who want to open an account on the spot without any restrictions and without any paperwork. Mbank and Ruya Bank. These are one of the banks you must choose if you want a straightforward zero balance account in UAE. Let us start by downloading the Ruya Bank app from the Google or the Play Store. For the sake of this video, we are going to use this bank to guide you in opening your zero balance account. In fact, this process is very simple. Once you have downloaded this bank app, tap on the Create Account. You will see this prompt that says sign up using UAE Pass. Tap on it and again tap on Start. Here, you will follow these 4 easy steps as you can see on the screen to create your account in less than 5 minutes. Start by registering for your bank account by giving your Ruya Bank app access to your UAE Pass information. Then go ahead and confirm your identity. Provide your personal information. And finally, select your account type. Wait for 2 business days for your account to get approved and activated. But for a meanwhile, you can add directly to your app and activate your debit card. As I mentioned earlier guys, there are 4 different banks that currently offer zero balance accounts in UAE. I cannot cover them all in this video, but I have detailed guides that will help you to open a zero balance account in any of these banks. So remember to check them out. And if you are still wondering which of these banks is best for you, don't hesitate to let me know in the comment. To wrap up everything, if your salary is above 3000 dirhams, you can go with the FAB iSave Zero Balance account. But if your salary is below 2000 dirhams, the best option for you here is to choose between Mbank, Ruya Bank and Sharjah Islamic Bank. So that is it guys. That is how you can open your zero balance account in UAE in less than 5 minutes.